RVers, it's American Woman with her Rialta Winnebago RV. It's so hot and sunny out. I think I'm going to take the motorhome down to the beach. Let's go. Let's see, let's go. Let's go. Wait a minute, what the hell? What are these? Who the hell is that? What are you doing in my motorhome?
Oh my goodness.
Who are you? Wait a minute. Oh, Beast Roadmaster? Wait a minute, aren't you John Spencer from 10 Million
That's me.
Miles Journey?
That is moi.
Well, what are you doing in my Los Angeles, California motorhome?
I needed a place to sleep. I broke at night.
Oh my gosh. Well, welcome to California, John.
Oh, thank you.
It'll be cool. Have a good time. All right, bye.